Hey friends, so this is my channel, and as you can see here, most of my videos that I posted recently are hitting at least 1000 views, 2000 views, and others are making up to 13,000 views. I only have 11,000 subscribers, and it's really hard to reach 1000 views if you're talking about finance, if you're talking about how to make money, because not a lot of people are watching video like this. So I came to realize that most of small channels are struggling to get at least 500 views, 1000 views. So there are this method that I started using on my channel, and I think this method is really going to help everyone with a small amount of subscribers wants to reach like a lot of views. I think this is the best thing that you can do to start getting at least 500 views, up to 1000 views, up to 10,000 views. All you want to do right now, you have to follow all these methods that I'm gonna show you right now in this video. Alright, so I created this channel in 2022 and I started to be more serious on YouTube. I think it was last year in May. So I started posting at least 3 videos every single week, but I came to realize that most of my videos that I was posting at that time were not hitting at least 100 views. So I posted for more than 3 months straight and none of my video could reach up to 100 views. I said, okay, I think I'm just gonna give up. Maybe YouTube is really not for me, because I was working very hard. I was posting too many videos and there was no result at all. So I really wanted to give up, but I came to realize this method, and right after using this method, as you can see right here, there is this video which got over 200,000 views just on this channel. So I think I'm so excited to share with you this method that is really going to help you. It really does matter how small your channel is. If you're just going to follow this method, you are just going to get a lot of views on your channel. But I really want you to pay attention to method number 3, because this is game changing. So let's dive in and see all these 5 methods that can help your channel to start getting at least 1000 views, up to 10,000 views. It just depends on how serious you can get. Our very first method is optimize your title and description. So every time that you post your video on a YouTube channel and within 3 hours you don't see your video performing very well, you will have to do the following. You have to change your title. This is really going to be helpful, but also you have to change your description. Don't worry, right now I'm just going to show you how I do on my videos. So right after I post any video on my YouTube channel, and after 3 hours, and if it doesn't get that amount of views, this is what I have to do. First of all, I can go ahead and change my title. I'm just going to show you this example. If I load on this video, the easiest way for you to make money in 2024, and this title doesn't get a lot of views, what I do is I go forward and change this title. I can write how to make money in 2024. Oh, I can just go forward and write the laziest way to make money in 2024. This based on my channel. So this method is very important because it's going to improve your video ranking in search result and suggested video. So you have to remember that right after posting a video, you have to make sure that you change the title and the description within 3 hours of you posting that video. So let's go to our next step. Alright, so our next method is engaging with your audience. It's very important to be connected with your audience, because if they're just going to like your video, comment on your video, share your videos to different platforms, this will tell the YouTube algorithm that your content is valuable. So this is going to lead your video to be recommended more often on YouTube. Alright, so this next method is a game changing, because I've seen big YouTubers like MrBeast, Ali Abdallah, and too many YouTubers are using this method and they're getting a lot of views. This method is changing your video thumbnail. So right after posting your video on YouTube and you don't see it performing very well, all you want to do right now, you have to go forward and change your YouTube thumbnail, because I've seen big YouTubers, as I said before, I've seen MrBeast is changing thumbnails, more than 2 or 3 thumbnails every time within 24 hours until he sees that this video starts to perform well. So if you're just going to use this method as well, you are really just going to get more views using this method, because I also have experience on this. As I said before, I had this video, it didn't perform well for more than 2 weeks. It only got 8 views. So after changing thumbnail on this video, as you can see right now, this video got more than 200,000 views just on my channel. So I used this method. I can show you the first thumbnail that I posted and this last thumbnail that it made this video go viral. So if you're just going to use this method, I'm pretty sure that I assure you that you can really get too many views on your videos. So you really have to start doing this right now. So next on the list we have, you need to focus on your watch duration. You need to make sure that your audience watch your video longer. It will really help in your videos to be recommended, because YouTube can think that your videos have high quality content, but also they have valuable information. So you have to make sure every time that you post a video, you just have to write down your script, and this script, it has to be very interesting in storytelling. Everyone can listen from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. It will be so easy for your video to be recommended, but also it will be so easier for you to get a lot of views, because YouTube algorithm will tell you that your videos are valuable information. That's the reason people are watching longer on your videos. So I think it's very important for you to consider this. You have to come up with this amazing storytelling that can convince your audience to keep watching on your videos. So this is very important, to focus on watch duration. The last thing that I want to tell you is that YouTube can be very stressful. I'm just going to be honest with you, because sometimes it's really hard to get 10,000 views. You can keep working for more than 6 months and your video don't get at least 10,000 views. So the goal right now is for you to keep working very hard. You can keep posting at least 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, but do not give up, because at the end of the time, YouTube is really going to help you. So do not give up. I'm just gonna give myself at least 5 years from now, and if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna say, okay, maybe YouTube is not for me. But for now, I'm just gonna keep my head down. For more than 5 years from now, I'll keep posting. If I get 2,000 views, if I don't get views, I'll just keep posting and making sure that I make sure that all of my videos, I'm providing value to my audience. You really have to keep working hard, and you have to know what you have to do to make sure that your videos are getting views, but do not give up. And I'm pretty sure that one day you will succeed. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.